So you're going to plant a garden this year. Whether it's to eat healthier, or cook with your own herbs, or have a fun activity with your kids, here's some basic how-tos to get you started. You're going to want to decide what plants you want to use. There's tons of veggies and herbs out there, so just make a list of what you like to eat. This is going to decide how much space you need. I like using just plain pencil and paper and jotting out where each of my plants will go. If you're more technical, you can try a gardening app. Head to your local store that has Bonnie plants, or actually you can go on the Bonnie website and order offline. Today I'm going to show you how to plant this basil plant, which is a great starter plant. They're compact, they're disease resistant, and they're delicious. When planting in ground in a raised bed or a container, the first step is always going to be digging a hole. Your hole should be slightly larger than your transplant's root ball. Next, you're going to want to gently remove your plant from your container. If your plant's extremely root bound, like this basil plant, gently loosen up the roots. Place your plant into its hole and fill back in the soil around the edges. Gently pat down to make it secure. Once you're done planting, make sure to water immediately. This is going to help against transplant shock. If you're planting something that's going to need a stake or a cage to keep it from falling over, it's best to do this early instead of later. It's a lot easier to cage a smaller tomato plant than a larger one. Now the hard part is done. All you need to do is water regularly and feed when necessary, and you'll be enjoying your delicious harvest soon.